60 acres.
Yeah.
Hey.
Over,
Yeah.
wow, 150,000 black mults per year.
I can eat maybe 10 years.
Who is win? Who's a loser? Just to pay today's dinner, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, how?
Oh my God, it's so heavy.
Now we have to try
Black
black
Mullet
mullet roe. This mullet roe is very creamy, or it's like a cheese, breaking my mind. Wow, oh my God, so big pans!
Yeah.
Huge.
Wow.
哎，老板，这是什么尺？是养什么
这边看出去大概60公顷左右啊，大部分都是养乌鱼。
？60公顷。
Wow.
Whoa, 60 acres.
Yeah.
对
Over,
，yeah, yeah.
wow.
哎
And it's mainly black mullets,
Yeah.
right? In this pond.
这里面是大概多少的乌鱼在里面的？
哎，我们这个一个班的组织每年大概有15万尾左右的这个产量。
15万的产量。
Oh, wow. So 150,000
Oh
black
my God,
mullets.
it's too
in a
much.
150,000 black mults per year.
I can eat maybe 10 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
I
a
think it'll
year.
take more than 10 years.
这个地方真的风很大，做乌鱼子是不是有什么效益？
对哦，你们领教过了哦，这个就是我们新竹特有的这个九江风。那这个九江风也造就了我们这个乌鱼的产业哦。我们这边你看朝向这个休闲渔业来发展，然后也开了这个休闲海钓场哦，让你们钓个够哦，钓个高兴啊！来，
好，
走
你说的老板，你说的老板。
Let's go, let's go.
这里面还有很多鱼哦，哦，有龙胆石斑这么大哦，
Oh, they're
还有我
fish
们的
this
虱目
big.
鱼也很大哦，算种的话大概有20-30种的鱼。
Oh, okay. So there are
20
20 to 30 different
to
kinds
30
of fish.
kinds.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. Who is win? Who's a loser? Just to pay today's dinner, okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's,
how?
oh my God, it's so heavy.
来到这边，当然我们不只要吃乌鱼子，而且要做要让你们吃乌鱼丸，
乌鱼
而且要自己动手来做哦。
Yes.
Like that?
Nice.
Okay.
Your hand is like a little machine, and it's popping out all these little meatballs.
So we have to wait in fishbowl, right? Now we have to try
Black
black
mullet
mullet roe. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Looks like you're using some muscle.
Yeah. Yes.
对
Okay.
然后
那这个泡酒大概多久时间呢？
泡个大概3分钟到5分钟
Okay.
它这个沫就很好吃
So-
的，烤起来风味也会特别
You
好，
have to
特别好
soak it
吃
for 3 to 5 minutes, right?
Yes. So
in the
it'll
cooking alcohol.
Okay.
it'll have a better flavor. So
Yeah.
it's actually ready to eat, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
it's
Yes.
already processed,
Yes.
but we want to have that extra flavors.
It actually
think
cooks
it's
quite
done.
fast.
Yeah.
It's very fast.
And then
Wow, here.
Ooh, I smell
All right, time for me to do.
some
Do my job.
tasting.
in Japan, mullet roe is like an only gift for the friend or family or a teacher or something. But in Taiwan, mullet roe is not only the gift. But I never eat that, I never eat. But today, I first eat this mullet roe, this stuff is very creamy or is very different. It's fresh. It's not like it's like a cheese, but it's fish, but it's cheese, So I guess it's really breaking my mind,
So I actually had a lot of fun at this leisure fish farm because I tried fishing for my very, very first time. It was actually a blast, and I got so lucky. Or maybe I'm just really good at things. Yeah, I caught a fish, and It was really cool because you come here and you get to experience these things, and we also made our own handmade fish balls, which I've also never done before, and it tasted really good.
Today was just a really interesting experience at this fish farm here. Had a great time. Every single dish on the table was an absolute delicacy to me. They said that the blackfish mullet roe, it was the best dish on the table, but I mean, the other dishes were up to its standards as well.